Gentlemen, today we're showing you 10 body language tricks to instantly make you seem more confident. For most guys, confidence is the holy grail. Without it, nothing else matters. But what makes it hard is that it's hard to show confidence. Well, don't worry, because while they might take time to nail down, there are body language tricks to immediately show a confident attitude. And because we want you to come across as self-assured, not desperate, we're also showing you the #1 body language mistake guys make that actually makes them look less confident and more desperate for approval. All right, let's jump in. Number 10, put your foot down. When you get down to it, one big part of confidence is the ability to be more comfortable wherever you are. And there may be no better way to show that you're comfortable than by planting your feet. Instead of doing the full body fidget that you'll catch a lot of guys doing, planting your feet is just the opposite. Where constantly moving in place makes a guy seem like he's anxious and can't wait to leave, standing still and not readjusting every 5 seconds sends a subconscious message that a guy is calm, comfortable, and confident exactly where he is. Number 9, hip engage. From dancing to working out to just walking around, it's pretty easy to pick out a guy who's holding back because he's self-conscious and overly aware of his movement. And to make things worse, it almost seems like if you do try to relax and loosen up, it's even more obvious that you don't have a clue how to actually move confidently. It's a vicious cycle. Well, here's how you turn it around. First, stop worrying about how you look to others. And second, get your hips into the mix. Seriously, if you're like most guys, your hips are stiff and unused. In all likelihood, you actively try to hide your hips. But what if we told you that the key to confident movement was all in the hips? It's true. Not only is using your hips a cornerstone to 99% of athleticism, but it's also the key to proud, confident movement that people notice. There's no way around it. If you want strong, relaxed movement of any kind, it all starts with the hips. Number 8. Tee up. You learned about hips. Now it's time to talk about shoulders. Here's a typical picture of a modern guy. Slouched over, head forward, shoulders lifted toward his ears. This is a guy who spends literally days of every week cementing this unhealthy and unconfident posture. Good posture is a classic sign that a man not only respects himself, but expects respect from others. And most of the time, it's a good way of subconsciously getting respect. Like throwing a punch, good posture starts in the feet. But the easiest way to fix it begins with correcting your T-spine or middle to upper back. Here's how teeing up works. Start by pulling your shoulders back so they're directly above your hips. This automatically extends to your chest and lifts your eyes and chin. Next, push your shoulders down as if you were holding weights in your hands. This adds definition to your chest and keeps you from shrugging or looking tense. Number 7, the phone challenge. Looking for a quick way to come across as a classic man? We've got a challenge for you. All you've got to do is keep your phone in your pocket. That's it. Walking somewhere, phone in pocket. Talking to someone? Put it away and keep it off the table when you're eating. Sound easy? Well, with the entire world competing for our attention, it's no wonder so many people struggle not to look at their phone for even like 30 seconds. But here's the thing. Breaking your phone addiction is a great way to appear more confident by being present in the moment. Again, confidence is about showing you're comfortable right where you are. And these days, nothing says you're comfortable more than putting away your phone. And not only that, just looking at people makes you more approachable and likable. Think about it. Just because it's common for people to stare at their phones during a conversation doesn't mean it ain't rude. So put down your phone and watch as you start to show more confidence and meet other fun, confident people. Number 6, Stylebreak Natural. Have you ever been out in public and seen a group of dudes with the exact same style? It's like they created their own characters, but haven't quite unlocked the special outfits yet. And what's more, they don't seem to notice that they all look alike. Sound like that might be you on some days? Well, don't worry, because no matter what your style, there's one way you can show confidence and distinction at the same time. Your smile. Thanks, Mom. But really, your smile is actually like the king of body language tricks, and a trick that every guy can have up their sleeves. But in order to make it work, you've got to show your teeth. Okay, worried that your teeth aren't perfect? Just look at Chadwick Boseman or Channing Tatum. That's Black Panther and G.I. Joe, if you didn't know. I.e., two very popular, handsome, confident dudes with less than perfect teeth. Hey guys, if you like our stuff, keep watching because we've got 5 more confident body language tricks. And at the end of this video, we're gonna show you the #1 thing guys do that makes them look desperate for attention. Okay, let's get back into it. Number 5. Be the bar. Imagine you're sitting somewhere like a bar or a restaurant that has those really long tables open to anyone. As more people come in and crowd the seats next to you, you've got two options: yield some space or hold the line. Now, obviously, at some point, you'll have to accommodate your neighbor if the place starts to get full, and that's okay. But unconfident guys take that too far and start giving up space to everyone, and then don't have any left for themselves. Well, here's how you get around that space problem while exuding confidence and not bothering anybody around you. Let's go back to our guy sitting by himself. Instead of just politely shrinking into his seat as he makes room for other people around him, he simply holds his own space. That's it. That's it. That's it. By keeping his hips straight and his hands shoulder-width apart on the table, he's not taking up anyone else's space, but he's also not giving up his own. Basically, he becomes a fixture. You could even say that he's now as permanent as the bar itself. Nobody's gonna try to move him, and as long as he's friendly, they're gonna be just fine with him taking up space, because that's where the fun is. In other words, if you want to have a calm, confident, and friendly presence to everyone, but don't want to give up your space, you've got to be the bar. Number 4, eye match. We've said it before, making eye contact is one of the most important ways to make a good impression and appear confident. But if it doesn't come naturally, or if you struggle to find the right times to look someone in the eye, following this rule can be difficult. To simplify things, focus on matching other people's eye contact. Matching a person's eye contact not only shows that the two of you are equals, it's one of the best things to do if you notice someone looking at you, because it's confident and non-threatening. Instead of staring down, matching the other person's eye contact shows that you don't feel the need to compete or feel like you have to shy away from them. So by matching the person's eye contact while they speak and while you speak, you show confidence and gain the respect of whoever you're speaking to. Want to know what else you should do when you notice a girl looking at you? Check out this video. Number 3. Check your head. All right, not exactly body language, but have you ever experienced the power of a good hair day? In the same way confident body language can, good hair can also send the right message. A lot of guys pay no attention to their hair, and as a result, they lose out on loads of free confidence, not to mention easy to come by respect and attention. And no, you don't need to have a high-maintenance haircut to make this work for you, because no matter your hair type, there's a way to rock it that not only looks effortlessly cool, it is effortlessly cool. You just gotta find it, which if you got 30 seconds after the shower shouldn't be too hard. Just start small by making sure your hair's in place, and boom, your chances of talking to a girl, getting a new job, making friends, and getting out of a ticket have just shot up. Number 2, the Defoff Stance. To this day, it would seem that nobody has a clear answer on what to do with your hands. Until now. Because here's the real trick to dealing with those awkward hands. The Defoff Stance. Known by CEOs and charisma champs the world over, the principle behind this technique is based on the fact that, in reality, there's actually no way to face someone directly with your hands out and not appear defensive, awkward, or threatening. Can't be done. That's the reason why so many people struggle with it. So the trick, then, is to find a position that falls halfway between defensive and offensive, the Defoff. Here's what you do. Cross one arm across your body just like you would normally, but instead of crossing your other arm over, simply rest it on the crossed arm. Almost immediately, you'll feel more comfortable and 100% more confident in a way everybody will notice. Number 1, intro mob. One of the key definitions of confidence, and a huge trait for alphas, is not being intimidated by other people. So, how do you show people that you aren't intimidated? Some people go the tough guy route, flexing all over and confronting people to prove themselves. Other guys, for some reason, just won't introduce themselves first. Ultimately, both of these things backfire. And here's why. Both of these strategies are meant to improve confidence, or at least maintain it. But in reality, they're both textbook defense mechanisms to cover up anxious feelings that you have around other people. And most people see right through it. So rather than pushing people away, show your confidence by being the bigger man and introducing yourself to new people. All right, as promised, the number 1 body language sign that screams overcompensation and a lack of real confidence? Man-spreading. Somehow, we haven't covered this one before. While studies have shown that spreading out makes men appear powerful and confident, taking too much space makes you not only look inconsiderate, but like you're overcompensating. Here's what's happening. Dudes who go into the infamous spread eagle man spread do so because they feel entitled to that space, and entitlement is the mark of an unconfident man. We'll leave it at that for now. Those are 10 confident body language tricks every guy should do today. Oh, and while you're here, why not check out these other game-changing videos? That one on top has been hand-selected just for you.